Hello friend, welcome again. In today's video I will be showing you how to repair a Studiomaster P Series 2.0. The problem with this amplifier is there's no sound on the right channel. On the left channel sound is there, but there is no sound on the right channel. So let's check. Here I have a small amplifier on my side with me. So I will use here as a signal detector to detect the input and output signal of component. Here in this video you will see capacitor number 1 we have no signal, but capacitor number 2 we have signal. Now let's check the left channel which is working. Let's check pin number 1 of IC. Pin number 1 is an output, so we should get some signal from here. Let's check pin number 2 and pin number 3. Next we will check condenser number 1 and condenser number 2. As you can see, both of the condenser are having audio signal. Now we will check with the right channel. Let's compare with the left channel. On the right channel, pin number 1, 2, 3, we don't have any signal at all. And only condenser number 2 we get signal. Number 1 we have no signal at all. So let's remove this condenser from both of the channel so that it will be easy to compare. And now we will test the line which goes through this condenser. On the left channel, if we check between the minus and plus of condenser point, we have no short. Now let's check the right channel. Let's check the circuit between plus and minus where the condenser was taken out. So here between plus and minus of condenser circuit is short. Now I have an eliminator power supply which is 12 volt. I'm going to show you how to unshort a short circuit. A minus multimeter probe, you hold the wire on the left side and positive on the right side. Touch the short circuit, hold it for some times and release it. This kind of a repairing we call short killer. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. So we'll just give it a try here. So let's check it again. See, now we have no more short here. That means now the circuit is fine. Let's check again with the sound. Still we have no sound on pin 1 of IC. Let's put back this condenser number 1 in the circuit. But still we have no sound on condenser number 1 and no sound of pin number 1 of IC. And now we have to check the connection which goes to the preamp. Pin number 1 we have no signal, but on pin number 2 we have signal. And on the condenser positive point also we have signal. Now let's check the right channel which is defective. Let's check first this connector, pin number 2. On the left channel, pin number 2 we have signal, but here on the right channel we have no signal at all. Let's check this wire which goes all the way to preamp. It goes all the way here. Let's unplug and check this connector which goes to the preamp. Now we have to cut the line which goes to pin number 2 of the connector. Now we will check the wire connection which goes all the way to condenser number 1. Connection is fine. This is the preamp circuit board. From this socket connector, the sound goes to this preamp, and from this preamp, the sound goes to this connector, and from this connector, the sound goes to the input IC. Now I have made a jumper wire directly from the preamp. Let's check the signal. And now we have a signal here. Previous connection, it was from this pin number 18. Since we have no audio from here, so we connect it from pin number 10 of preamp. Pin 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And the previous one is 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Pin number 18 is the original connection. but we have no signal from pin number 18, so we have to switch to pin number 10 of preamp. Now let's put back the condenser and check the audio signal. Both of the condenser of right channel, condenser 1 and condenser 2 and pin number 1 of IC are getting signal now. Let's fit it back. Now the amplifier has working fine, so thank you for watching. Do subscribe to my channel for more videos update.